This is not for us, okay? Get us out of here.
I'm
Send
fine.
help. Send help.
This area was an important cemetery. Culture was Quechua's culture. But before Quechua's, this culture is right here. Okay, coming from Titicaca Lake. Culture is in this area, Tiahuanaco's culture. Since this culture right now we have the really best, I think so, the better complex, archaeological complex in, for example, Machu Picchu, Sacsayhuamán, Requirao, since this culture. Because this culture is influenced in the Quechua's culture. No? Because they dominate very well the architectonic buildings. The reason we have this one. This area was an ancient cemetery. This culture was established here 750 years before Jesus Christ until 1200 years after Jesus Christ. When the Quechuas arrive here, they don't put any resistance. This culture is accept the government of Quechua, and the Quechuas is teaching the work in the agriculture, for example. This culture they dominate about the shepherd activities. This area just is belong to the royal families. They mummificate here, they put some mummies here, and they send with special potteries, maybe with special elements like a corn, like potatoes, no? Some elements. They don't know about the metal, for example. They don't have any information about gold and silver. But when the Spaniards arrived to here, they believe the old ancient culture, they dominate very well the metals. And they try to scarve it, destroy it, and they try to trafficate the mummies, no? For try to look in gold and silver in these areas. But they don't find nothing here. We call chulpas. No? If you see the smaller one, is for one person. If you see the bigger buildings, for example, is for one big family. The royal family, they have special places for Bari and the common people in the lower part. Here, the National Park of Manú is divided in three zones. No? This one, this, and this. The green part is the private part. Why is private? Because in this habitat, we are living the no-contact people, native people. They moving in circles around this area. Why we don't close it there? Because they are very dangerous. It's possible to kill us. The native people walking naked in the forest. They don't use clothes, for example. They don't know. They don't have any information about the civilization people. Also, the governments never closer to them because they don't want to have a contact with the civilization people. The native people, the non-contact native people, they are the descent of the Quechua's people. When the Spanish arrive here, the Quechua's people is going, they introduce in the forest. From here, we descend and we spend one night in Pilcopata. We arrive to Patria. You see the plane here? Here is fine a small airport, but the plane is using the narco-traffic people because in this part the people is they planting the coca and they using the coca for elaborate the cocaine. That's the reason just we pass this town. It's a dangerous area. Okay. So we spend in Pilcopata one night and the next day we arrive to Atalaya. We take another different transport, we take the motor boat. From here, our second lodge is located in this part, in this one, in front to Salvation Town. We inserting more deep in the forest.
We're on a hike right now. It's gonna be about an hour and a half hike. And we're just walking around and trying to see if we can spot any birds. Also, the deeper we go in, the hotter it will be and the more mosquitoes there will be. So we had to put on some mosquito repellent. Mosquitoes love me. I'm trying to leave the Amazon with at least 5 mosquito bites. That's it. So mosquitoes, wherever you are, only 5 of y'all can bite me. That's it.
She said she's, what do you say? She's not afraid of the mosquitoes. She's afraid of the...
He's eating coffee or some flowers. Yeah, look here.
This is... I make the noises to bring out the animals. See?
So here are the restrooms. And then here's that. And now we're headed to our rooms. So we have to wear these cool looking boots because there are snakes around here and spiders and all that stuff. We are in tent number 5. So Gerald's gonna give us a room tour.
Well, we have 2 luxurious beds, 4 walls and a roof, okay, and electricity. Look at that.
So this is where we will be spending one night, and then tomorrow we're headed to a new destination. I think we have 2 hours or 1 hour to spare before dinner time. And then after dinner we're gonna go ahead and go on a night walk. So we're just gonna rest because it's been pretty hectic here. We are in the middle of the Amazon and we're doing a night hike, trying to find all these different animals. We've been mainly finding insects and they are beautiful.
No, they're scary. They're not beautiful, they're scary. And they're huge. This is not for us, okay? Get us out of here.
I'm
Send
fine.
help. Send help.
Someone is scared and it's not me.
Send help.
Click Vito.
Are we supposed to go in there? I don't know who he's supposed to... Is he going by himself or...
Okay, you want to see more clear? Come in here.
It's okay.
You got it.
Wow.
Grasshopper and plastic insects. Yeah. The toes is a raptor toe. It's a good predator. Sometimes the praying mantis is possible to kill until little snake. It's really dangerous, the female. The female just using the male for mating. During the time the female feel hungry, they eat the male. But just the head.
Oh, okay.
The female using the male, really dangerous. Well, the difference between male and female, the female is big and the male is little one. For the reason the female is really aggressive. Más nocturnal butterfly. Also, they working during night. They try to lick in the nectar of the plants, flowers. So they are a nocturnal pollinizator during night. During day, they hiding. They don't work.
Who's scared?
Why?
Because I don't know what's going on. I can have a little thing like that bite me and I'll be done.
And here we have a ladybug.
Yeah, ladybug. Keep moving. Where's the anaconda? Where's the anaconda?
We just got done with day 1 of the Amazon. Tomorrow's day 2. We just came back from the night walk and that was pretty cool. We have to consolidate our things because tomorrow we're gonna go on a motorboat and we can't bring everything. So we just got done with that and now we're gonna go to bed. This is not for us. Okay, so we will see you tomorrow morning. Peace.
Hey, we're out here in the jungle. So we are in the Amazon jungle right now. You have to watch your back because there's dinosaurs out here. Okay, so you gotta watch it. We are out here in Jurassic Park. You see, there's one right now. Watch out.